right now. Is that too fast?
No, come on, Duck. Right here. It's in my hand. She just doesn't know it's in my hand. Come on, Duck. Come on. Here.
Go, Fetty, go!
Come on. Just let her walk. She's not right. She doesn't want to eat. Come on, just. Come on, Duck. She's going for a little bit. It's alright, come on, Dad. You can do it. Good girl. Keep walking. Keep walking, Dad. Come on, Dad. Dad. Just tell her to keep walking. Go over there so she can.
Keep walking, Dad. Now you're going to tangle yourself.
Dad, come on, Dad.
Keep walking!
Come on, Dad. Good girl. Good girl.
Keep walking!
Duck, you get a bone after this. Yeah. Here, I'll show you your bone.
Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep walking!
Duck bone! Come on, Duck bone! Come on, Duck bone!
Mama!
Duck!
I missed it!
Are you okay? Hey, you okay? Come on,
Yay! She's okay! Hope you should have saw that. That was funny.
That wasn't funny. That was scary. You don't want her foot to get caught down there.
No,
Come on, Duck. Get up there. Sit.
I
You're gonna get your bone after this. Yeah.
Tighten the collar.
That's as high as it goes.
For real?
Yeah, she lost weight.
The collar.
Yeah, I know. That's as high as it goes. She lost weight. It used to fit, but now she lost weight. Ready, Duck?
So when's the wedding? She has to say yes first, right? And
Come on, Duck.
woke up the nerve to ask her
Yeah, you got your bone.
in the last marriage.
Keep walking.
I just don't want to fail you. Okay? What should we do next?
Keep walking, Gizmo. Keep walking, Duck.
Tell me more about being a man than anyone I've ever known.
Go, Duck, go.
Come on, guys.
I'm not afraid to cry. And don't make sure I don't tell you too stupid on that bachelor party.
You're gonna strain yourself.
Bone. Bone.
Wow.
Take it away. See what happens.
Come on, Duck. Bone, bone, bone. Come on. Come on. Bone. Come on, Duck. You can do it.
Put it away. See what she does.
She's tired, so this is probably maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Put it.
Come on, baby. She's slowing down. Come on.
She like starts jogging.
Come on, Duck. Come on, Duck.
Go, Fetty, go.
Here, Duck.
Yay!
She's too tired.